Hello friends, rainy days call for cozy vibes and a quick grocery run. We head to Coles to stock up some essentials and treats. First on the list were fresh strawberries, perfect for my homemade strawberry milkshake. Then came juicy mangoes. These juicy mangoes are summer sunshine in every bite. We love them. We wanted little yellow powerhouses of zest. These lemons are like sunshine with a tangy twist. Also, we wanted some tomatoes, so we got some. These tomatoes are garden fresh jewels for every dish. Also, we wanted to buy a pack of prawns for a delicious seafood dish. Of course, I couldn't skip my usual noodle pack. I also bought some biscuits and a tub of ice cream. To add to the pantry, I grabbed a soy sauce bottle. For the drinks, we wanted to buy a refreshing ginger beer pack for me and a passion fruit drink pack for my husband. My husband picked out a few items he loved and added them to the cart too. So that's how we braved the rain for a flavorful haul. Thank you for watching.